You're invited to witness a groundbreaking documentary, America's Retirement Dilemma, a documentary of Wall Street's rigged system, featuring powerful exclusive interviews such as the president and CEO of the leading analytics firm over Wall Street, DALBAR Incorporated, Harvey, who explains why Wall Street is not set up to have a fiduciary duty to the everyday investor.
Wall Street is not set up to handle a fiduciary relationship. Too expensive to replace all of my compensation systems, retrain all of my people. The whole structure that's been built over the last 100 years would have to be turned on end. I would have to be brutally negative. We have an industry that has been built on caveat emptor, buyer beware.
Hear this and more exclusive interviews with powerful industry leaders, esteemed economists, and top researchers, and witness this expose of the dilemma facing the American retiree. Registration is required. 1-800-722-9728 or crashproofretirement.com.
Reserve your seat to witness America's Retirement Dilemma, a documentary of Wall Street's rigged system. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to learn more.